Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you how you can easily change the equalizer preset. To change the equalizer preset, you need to at first play some music on your phone. Let me do this quickly, like for example, search for memories. Doesn't matter, but we can't hear it because of the copyright, so let me lower the volume level to 0. And here I've got memories. Doesn't matter. To switch between different equalizer presets, either in MP3 mode or in some other mode, like Bluetooth mode, you need to just double click this button right here. And now equalizer preset is switched to either swimming mode or some other mode. That's it. Bye!